Guys, happy Wednesday morning, guys. Welcome back to my crazy big black family, guys, on YouTube. And if you're new on this video, guys, please take out the time and get subscribed to my video and my channel, guys. Happy Wednesday morning, guys. Welcome back. I am up and it's pretty early in the morning. Let's see what time it is. Let's check the time here. It is exactly 2:44 a.m. on Wednesday morning, guys. And for those who are new to my channel, our channel, I am an insomniac. So it's hard for me to sleep at night. I sleep most times during the day. I take most of my rest during the day after I do the given things that I need to do. And then I be up like at nighttime, or I'll wake up at like 2, 3 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the morning, stay up for a while, do whatever I need to do. I'll find something to do. Something. I'm always finding something, whether it's if there's anything in the kitchen that needs to be done, I'll do that. If I need to do any, folding or anything, I'll do that. If I need to wipe anything down or something, I do that. I use the late night to do that. Seeing that I'm up, I say, you know what? If I'm up, I might as well make do of my time, right? So I just wanted to come on this video since I'm up and say what's up, guys. And not only what's up, thank God I'm off today. I'm not working. I am at home and I go back to work on tomorrow. I have Tuesday and Wednesday off. I go back tomorrow on Thursday and I work 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So I got it right this time. Last time I went to work at 11 at night and I was supposed to be there at 11 in the morning. But luckily, I still went in, so it wasn't like it was a no call, no show, because I still went in that night. And I talked to my boss yesterday, and he was like, "It happens, no worries. Plus, I'm an excellent worker, if I might toot my own little horn, toot, 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 toot." So I guess that kind of makes up for everything, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting our videos. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my crazy big black family, liking these videos and sharing our videos and subscribing to our channel if you did subscribe, guys. And if you didn't, please use this this video to hit the subscribe button, guys, and hit all notifications so that when we post a video, upload a short, or post on our community page, you will be the first guys to get notified. I'm just hanging out, like I said, trying to find something to do, because it's really not a lot to do. So I'm just hanging out, looking over my analytics, going back on my videos and adding anything, like if I had to hashtag anything or put it on my playlist or whatever, do something. Again, since I'm up at night, I make as much do of my time as possible, and watching whatever I can find on YouTube or watch a movie or something. I usually watch Pluto too late at night. I like to watch my old shows and stuff like that. So that's what I do too at night. Guys, comment down below if you are a can't sleeper or an insomniac who can't sleep at night. And so, if so, comment in the comment section or comment down below, please. What do you do when you're up at night or when you're having problems sleeping? And crazy as it might seem, I also will drink me a nice warm cup of coffee. So I got my coffee right there. I know you're like, well, why would you drink coffee? Because since I'm already up, I might as well drink coffee, right? I'll eat something and I'll drink me some coffee and, chill, watch a little TV or whatever, have some me time. I want to thank you guys though so very much for again, like I said, tuning in to my crazy big black family and for being there for this channel, guys. I want to say have an amazing upcoming week. This is Stay tuned, guys, for our Sunday vlog. We're going to be doing a live stream or a Sunday vlog. This video will be about my daughter's engagement party. So we're having an engagement party for my daughter on this Sunday. and she rented out a nice little venue. We've done parties and stuff here before, so this is usually one of our venues that we go to have get-togethers. Pretty nice, big inside. I think she's invited up to about it's supposed to be. I think it's like up to 100 guests. Go get subscribed to my daughter's channel, please, too, guys, and support her. It's at Living My Black Girl Lifestyle on YouTube, guys. She's a young lifestyle vlogger. She's in college studying for psychology. Just got engaged about. Once again, guys, I want to just send you guys away with an amazing wishes of happiness for today, with well wishes of blessings today, guys. And if you are feeling down today, or if you're just not, it's not your day today, happy Wednesday to you. And I hope that this video will find you in a better place, better space, and make you feel good about yourself, about the day, and about, whatever you may be facing that might not have you in the uppest, the most lifting spirits. Hope this video can uplift you guys. Happy Wednesday once again, guys. And let me be the first to say we love you over here at my crazy big black family, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.